Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up a sleep timer on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To set up a sleep timer on your TV, navigate to the gear icon from the home screen of your device. Next, once you are in the settings, scroll down to General Settings and open this menu, and then go to Power and Energy. Click OK. Here, if you want to set up a sleep timer, go to Sleep Timer option and then select the time after which your TV should go to sleep. And then, after this time, after your selected time, your TV will automatically switch off. Besides, we have the full switch off timer in here, which is by default set to 140 minutes. But you can reduce this time to any value that you like. And we also have no signal timer, after which the TV will go to no signal mode, and we can adjust it using these three values in here. If you disable switch off timer, no signal timer will also be disabled. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.